Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan, this is Hemi-Driven. So today we're going to be talking about how to activate the line lock in this thing with the Tazer. Don't think I've done a video on it, so we're going to do it. We're going to drive the car today because she's off the road, which is why we're doing a lot of content on Brody's car. So, but if we get at least 60 likes, I'm going to be wrapping the hood. So 60 likes on this video, I'm going to be wrapping this hood. I'm not sure if I'm going to go carbon fiber black or just a matte black on the hood. So stay tuned, I need 60 likes and I'll do that for the hood. So I think it'll look really good. The video. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do for to unlock the line lock for the 2016 Dodge Charger is this little Tazer right here. Sorry, video's not really focusing. Focus. Is gonna need this little Tazer here. The newer cars, Chargers and stuff like that come with line lock, but the older ones do not. So just like everything else that's hidden away. Anyhow, let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright guys, so this is super easy to do, this line lock. Really easy. So we got the Tazer plugged in. Now you guys know my intro video that I do, the intro video at the start, that was line lock. That's what I did with, that was front brakes were basically were locked up. So basically what you guys have to do is put this car in drive. We're in drive. Super easy to do. Hold the left arrow key, keep your finger on it, hit set plus. Tazer has to be plugged in. Okay, so we're gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Hold the left arrow key, set plus. All these anti-airlock service should come up and all that stuff. That means it's activated. All you have to do is take your foot off the brake now and hammer the gas, and you're not going anywhere. You're doing a flat ass burnout. It's amazing. We're not going to do it in the parkade, but that's basically how you do it. If you don't know where your brakes and then you're done your burnout, just let go. Boom. Done. Easy. So make sure you keep the finger on the left arrow key and hit set plus. So super easy to do, guys. Not very hard. I just figured I'd make a video on it just to show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so that's really it. Super easy to do with the Tazer. Unplugged it. That's what it looks like. Plugs in the OBD port down there, and fucking boom, and then you got you got line locks if you don't have it in your charger. I'm pretty sure you can get it in the V6 too. Pretty sure you can use this in the V6 if you got a V6. Anyhow, so a couple updates before I end the video. Charger's off the road, so that's why you don't see a hell of a lot of content with my car right now, because it's off the road right now. 60 likes on this video and I'll wrap the hood on my Dodge Charger. We'll do a whole video on it of me wrapping the hood. It should be my second wrap other than doing the tint wrap, so it should be quite interesting and quite funny, honestly. So stay tuned for that. That's coming very, very, very soon. I need about 60 likes on this video and I will wrap this hood, or do a video on wrapping this hood. Yeah, it's not really, the focus is not really working right now, so apologize for that, guys. But anyhow, those are some updates, what's going on. About 90% of you haven't hit that subscribe button and aren't subscribers that watch this video, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot. And don't forget to like the video if you guys enjoyed. Sorry it was quick and short, but yeah, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more information on the Dodge Charger and just other things in general. And yeah, merch link is in the description below if you guys want to check out the Hemi-Driven merchandise. That also helps me out. Soon I'll be printing and doing everything here. That's just kind of a startup thing. So if you guys want to support, merch is down below. If not, that's cool. I don't care. But support by liking or subscribing. That'd be really appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.